In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on toolbars and restore the menu bar in AutoCAD 2026. Whether you've just installed AutoCAD and can't find your classic toolbars, or you're simply looking to bring back the familiar interface for faster access, this quick guide will help you get everything back exactly the way you want it. Let's get started. First, let's begin with the menu bar method, which is one of the easiest ways to bring toolbars back. In the command line, type menu bar, then hit enter. You'll see a value appear. Go ahead and type 1, then press enter again. This simple step enables the classic menu bar at the top of your screen. Once it appears, click on Tools in the menu bar, hover over Toolbars, and you'll see a full list of available toolbars in AutoCAD 2026. From here, just select the toolbars you want to turn on, such as Draw, Modify, or Layers, and they'll instantly appear on your workspace. This method is great because it gives you a clear, visual overview of all your toolbar options. Now, let's say you already have one toolbar visible. There's an even faster way. Simply right-click on any empty space within an existing toolbar. A menu will pop up showing all the available toolbars. Just check or uncheck the ones you want to show or hide. This right-click method is super convenient for quick customization, especially if you like adjusting your workspace on the fly. Next, let's talk about using the toolbar command, which gives you a bit more control. Go to the command line and type toolbar, then press enter. AutoCAD will ask for the name of the toolbar you'd like to display. For example, type Draw, Modify, or even Dimension depending on what you need. If you're not sure which toolbar you're looking for, just type All and press enter. This will display a complete list of every available toolbar. Once you've chosen one, you'll be prompted to choose between Show or Hide. Simply type Show to make it visible. As a quick note, these toolbars can be repositioned anywhere you like. Drag them around the screen to create a layout that works best for your workflow. And if you ever want to revert back to the modern ribbon interface, you can do that instantly by typing ribbon in the command line and hitting enter. To make sure your setup stays the way you like it, don't forget to save your workspace after making these changes. That way, AutoCAD will always load your preferred interface the next time you open it. And that's all there is to it. You now know 3 simple ways to turn on toolbars and restore the menu bar in AutoCAD 2026 using the menu bar, the right-click shortcut, and the toolbar command. With these methods, you can fully customize your workspace to match your style and boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, go ahead and share it with other AutoCAD users who might be missing their toolbars too. It might save them a ton of time. Until next time, stay creative and happy designing in AutoCAD.